more.
Go.
I'm scared.
I'm fucking scared too.
Coppers.
Yeah! Oh shit!
Just came.
They'll take me out of that. I wasn't in there.
Come on through, son.
Hey, you feeling swole today or what?
Check out.
MTV Cribs. Yo, let me see that polo hat, dog.
Can you shoot the actual stuff? Can you shoot the actual stuff?
Come on, bro. Whose hat is this?
It's mine. I'll buy for the gym.
For the gym? Let me rock this out in town. Feel me? Dope city.
See, is that good lighting, bro?
Oh, that's good lighting. Look, he look out.
Okay. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yo, ready? Move off the chair. What the fuck? Yo, about face. Snap.
You know what? Let's go. Let's get this.
What the stuff?
Let's get the stuff. Let's get the stuff on camera.
Alright,
MTV Cribs ain't got all day.
come do MTV.
What we got here?
We got bottles, headphones, vitamin C, polo cap, white Converse, gym shoes, wrist wraps, laptop, protein,
Let's zoom in on that protein.
essentials. These are these kind of essentials. Mouthwash, crucial. Lotion.
Oh. Planning on being busy?
Yeah. For all my guys, you know what I mean? For your pearly whites.
Oh, yeah.
For military motherfuckers that got shaving. Know what I'm talking about.
They don't got no money.
That was $2. Towels. That's self-explanatory.
Yeah,
Freaking cords. Self-explanatory.
Cords for what? How's that self-explanatory?
I mean, that's for my phone and my laptop.
Who wants to see my
Shoot.
secret weapon, though?
MTV Cribs.
I'm gonna show y'all my secret weapon. This is what keeps in the garage, you feel me?
Okay.
When you
Let
ready
me
to go.
finish this.
Alright,
That's like for the special, the bonus.
Oh, okay.
Here's all my gym clothes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I got a lot of gym clothes. I should pack more skivvies to be honest.
Okay.
But
Trying to get right. You know? Show off the muscles.
motherfuckers don't play.
If you have a workout and be bigger than y'all.
And then we got 30 clothes. That's practically about it.
Alright, now I'm gonna show you what's in his garage, you feel me? Y'all better
Right.
get ready for this shit. It's just like
Alright.
a Asian assassin. You feel me? He hops on this shit and they go crazy. So you might want to zoom in on this bitch.
All right, all right, all right.
Okay, okay. Oh, look at that shit's fast, boy. Better be careful. Look at that shit. That shit's sleeping right now. You might want to be careful with that.
They call that man Scotty
Is
Lane.
this a real moment where he sleeps?
Yeah. See his eyes turn like a little cat. Yeah.
Hey,
And baby strawberry head.
zoom out a little bit to get like a, get a better quad. There you go.
Oh, the beast is woken.
Oh shit. MTV Cribs, we out.